Namaste Bitul. I Jeevan Preeti Singh, Faculty of Pharmaceutical Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Today I will discuss about the topic definition and parts of prescription. What is prescription? This topic belongs to the pharmaceutics theory for the B Pharm first semester. Now we come to the what is the prescription. A prescription is a written order from registered medical practitioner or a physician to a pharmacist to compound and dispense a specific medication for the patient. What does prescription include? Patient detail, direction for the pharmacist to prepare and dispense the medicament, and direction for the patient regarding administration of drug. So the parts of prescription is based on their date, name and age, superscription, interprescription, subprescription, and all over these parameters for the past of prescription. So firstly we discuss about the date. Every prescription must bear the date on which the particular medicine are prescribed. This helps the pharmacist to keep day-to-day patients record in chronic order, which help the pharmacist or a physician to refer the old case in future. To avoid misuse of the narcotic or other habitat-forming drug containing prescriptions by the patient a number of times for dispensing. Name, age, sex, and address of the patient. Name, age, sex, and address of the patient must be written on the prescription. So the name help that the pharmacist to identify the correct patient, avoiding any chance of giving the medicine to a person other than the one it is dispensed for. Note: patient's full name must be written instead of nicknames or surnames. Age of the patients becomes important in the case of the pediatric children and geriatric old people case, because the dose of drug in such cases varies due to their differences in ability to metabolize drug. Hence, dose of the drugs are calculated based on the age factor in such cases. Note: in some cases, weight and height for of the patients are also required. So the sex, gender of the patients are also plays major role in the prescription, because dose of drug may also vary based on the sex, gender on the patients, as their ability to metabolize response towards drugs may vary in many cases. Address of the patient is generally recorded to contact the person at the later stage or to deliver the medication personally. So now we come to the different example of the prescriptions. Retina nursing home, and all over the prescriptions. So the subscription, this is the part of prescription contains direction of the prescription of the pharmacist regarding the type and compounding of doses form, along with number of doses to be dispensed. This is important because dose of drug also depends on the type of doses form. Signature. This part of prescription contains direction to the patient regarding the administration of the drugs. It is generally represented at a SIG on the prescription. So the instructions may include the quantity to be taken and the frequency of administration, the mode of administration, the special instructions such as dilation and direction. Renewal instruction in this part, the prescriber whether the prescription can be renewed or not. It also should include the specifications like how many times it can be renewed. It is of utmost important in case of narcotic and other habituated forming drugs. So the signature, address, and registration number of the prescription. The signature and registration number of the prescription turns the prescription into the legal and authentic order to the pharmacist. This helps to preventing the use of spurious drug. The use of spurious drug. So the terms used in the prescription and meaning. Teaspoonful, 5 ml, 8 ml in different types of. So the this type of prescription. So all of this session is powered by the digital session 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. And I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it your problem by the problem resolving class. Thank you, and thank you for the listening.